There were washerwomen who worked either on riverbanks, as you might expect, or they went to special washing facilities that were provided in towns and boroughs. And for example, in Nottingham, there were washing stairs. And washing stairs were facilities where water could flow down in order to allow several people to be washing their clothes at once. And we know about the ones in Nottingham because there were requests for the repairs to be made to the washing stairs. And today, even in villages in Italy, there are wash houses that you can, from the 16th and in some cases the 17th century, where you get a really good picture of these quite extensive and sophisticated facilities that were available for professional washerwomen or for householders to go and clean their linen clothing. The way people treated their outer garments is more like we consider our winter coats. So if you've got a woolen coat that you wear in the winter, you might brush it if you notice that it's a bit dusty or it's been in the wardrobe for a while and it needs a bit of sprucing up. But you wouldn't ever wash it. You might spot wash if you drop something on it. But you would take it to a specialist, you take it to a dry cleaner to have it properly cleaned. And in the 16th century, there were methods by which you could do that kind of cleaning using alcohol. Often it was spritzed onto fabric, left to dry, and then it would be brushed off, as alcohol can lift out certain types of stains. But generally speaking, you would look after your clothes better, and you would think about whether you were in a situation where they were likely to get dirty. So people used table napery in order to cover their clothes when they were eating. And also aprons were worn extensively by men and women for work, as well as sometimes for best when they were made of more expensive materials. So aprons were very common as a way of protecting your clothes. And also oversleeves. So quite often these could be knitted oversleeves, and they would protect your clothing from maybe the dirt of what you did for a living.